round 18. For close round 17, we do a slip stitch like this, put hook from back, and like this. Round 18, chain 1. We want to make back post single crochet into round 60. We put a marker, we find it carefully, and make a single crochet, back post single crochet in every single crochet we have. One. We work in round 16. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. 10 back post single crochet. We put a marker into 10. Now we continue, and I come back here. Round 18. For close this round, we make a slip stitch in back loop only, like this, only back loop. We find back loop and make a slip stitch. Now round 19, we make chain 1 and single crochet into same place. In this round we work on back loop only, and we make single crochet all around this work. Back loop, single crochet, we have to make 144 back loop single crochet, and I come back here.